Bonjour, this is Learn French with Monsieur Olaide. You are welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing about simple commands in the class. The simple command on class. Simple command in the class that we can use between our pupils or students. So please, before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. That's all I need from us. This will give me motivation of continue posting educational videos in French. Please, let's dive into today's topic. Command and class. Pas de bruit. Taisez-vous. Asseyez-vous. Levez-vous. Croisez les bras. Regardez les tableaux. Ouvrez vos cahiers. Ouvrez vos livres. Fermez vos cahiers. Fermez vos livres. Effacez les tableaux. Écoutez. Écrivez. Lisez. Encore. Répétez après moi. Écoutez très bien. Venez ici. Donne-moi les chiffons. Those are some of the simple commands in the class that we can use between our pupils and students. Au revoir et à bientôt.